What's up, Kick-Ass Nation? It is Christopher Rausch, your No Excuses coach. Back from another workout. Yes, indeed, ladies and gentlemen. I already walked my kid to school. Just did a 48-minute workout. Didn't feel like it. You notice a trend? I never really feel like it, but I always feel like it after I'm done because I feel amazing. So let's talk about your best. What is your best? Oftentimes we say, oh, I did the best I could. But ask yourself, the next time you say I did the best I could, ask yourself, was that really my fucking best? Or was that bullshit? Because most of the time, 99% of the time, as your No Excuses coach, I'm going to tell you, your best wasn't your best. It was bullshit. So when you start doing your best, when you start having that discipline, that integrity with yourself to say, hey, listen, I'm going to do 10 reps. No, I'm going to do fucking 12 reps. I'm going to go to the point where it fucking hurts. Whatever it is in your life, stay up a little bit later, get up a little bit earlier, do a little bit more. What is your best? Because your best isn't your best, ladies and gentlemen. It's a bullshit excuse that we have from our conditioning. NoExcusesCoach.com, NoExcusesCoach.com.